everyone. Happy New Year. Happy New Teeth. Happy New Mouth. Happy New Nose. Happy New Year. Happy New Year, everyone. Thank you so much for tuning into my channel for this week. I don't know if this is gonna work, but what I want to do is have a week of slayage on my channel. I ordered a lot of Juvia's face palettes when they're having their Black Friday sale, as well as I used my discount code, which is FUMI. So I got a ton of palettes, like just $120 something. To me, that's reasonable. Not to many people, but to me it is. And I want to do a full on Juvia's look for you guys for these next couple of days that's coming up. This palette, I have these two palettes that I used today. I have never used before. I used the Warrior palette, this one here. The colors are gorgeous, very nice and neutral. I've never used this palette. And this blush palette, volume 1 as well. I use it for my glow and for my blush. I've never used this palette either. So for the new palettes that I've never used, I'll be using those first, sorry. And for the ones that I do have looks of here on my channel, I'll just do those at the last end of the video. Now the foundation I'm wearing, you guys will see the struggle in the video, but it, as I told you guys in the video, it photographs so well. It's nice and clean, it is gorgeous, but you guys will see my issue with it as the video goes on. But yeah, so this is it for this intro. You guys don't forget to subscribe if you have not subscribed. And thank you so much for watching, for coming back to my channel. My locks were done by Bolton Locks on Instagram. Yeah, so go ahead and check her out as well. She has slots open for January as well as for February, so go ahead and book your appointments now. She's extremely reasonable. And yeah, so I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I mean, my nails match my hair. Blessed hands on Instagram. I'm just saying. I'm done. Y'all go ahead and do y'all thing. I'm done. Go ahead and watch the video. It's lit. Alright guys, first of all, I said it's already Happy New Year. Anyway, so I'm going to be using my Cake Mix foundation, and I went, no, my face be dry. I don't know, honey. This is the number 17. I'm not wearing any primer because I'm just doing this for y'all today. Now what I realized with this foundation is that it dries matte, yeah, and I think it's water based. I'm not quite sure. And why I started is because whenever, okay, so I led worship watch night, service night, and I was sweating, I was crying, I was thanking Jesus for everything he done give me for the year and stuff. And my foundation began to run. Now, I don't know if it's because it's so drying why it began to run, but it did. And I was like, oh my God, my foundation is running. This is the second foundation to run for me. And it's just, that happens, I find, when the foundations are like really, drying, like they're matte, which this foundation is. So it photographs really well, so I'll say it's really good for photography makeup. But in terms of like an all day, and I was wearing primer that night, so in terms of like an all day Caribbean wear, you cannot wear this this is not a beach foundation. You know, I have a couple foundations that are definitely beach foundations. My Sasha, Black Opal, Fenty, those are definitely beach foundations, but this one I wouldn't classify as a beach foundation. And by beach, I mean, or pool, I mean I am getting in the water with a full face of makeup on, and it's not going, like, this is not that foundation. But on camera, it's very good. It looks good. Photographs effortlessly. And it has a nice smell. Alright, so for my highlight, I'm going to be using LA Pro Concealing Fan. Oh no! I do have a highlight. I have my Beauty Bakery highlight. Alright, so this is the Beauty Bakery highlight. Okay, this is the Beauty Bakery highlight, and it just says, "You're beautiful. Cake Face Concealer." I don't know if "You're beautiful" is like the number. what I do find is that, remember when I put this on initially and it was cakey, I found that I have to kind of layer it. So I go on with like this first layer or whatever, and I leave it small like this. I don't spread it out, and then I blend it out. Alright, and then it's still blotchy. I don't know, the last time I did this technique it wasn't blotchy. I don't think you guys are seeing, but you see it's like hella blotchy. But the last time I did it this way it wasn't blotchy, so I don't know. Maybe my beauty blender is too wet. Maybe. But what I do notice that when I do the lines, what's this? Oh, God damn it, Bella. When I do the lines, like draw the lines with the concealer, yeah, that doesn't work. I'm just going to go ahead and press my beauty blender down a little bit to get rid of the moisture, so it's not completely wet and it's still blotchy. Let me go in with a second layer. It's just looking really, really bad. I don't know. When I used it, okay, it's my 4th time using this, but on my 2nd time, it did good. When I used it on my, I did a look on New Year's night, on Snapchat. I did a Snapchat tutorial, and it didn't perform like this bad. Look, it's even gray, like it's removing the foundation. Another thing it is, I think my beauty blender is too wet. I remember I tell you guys about the moisture on this foundation, or the wetness on this foundation. It's not working with it, so it's removing it. Yeah, I really think these products are water based. See, this side not that bad because I just squeeze out the beauty blender somewhat. This side is not behaving badly. See, this side is way better. It really is the thing. When it's too wet, when the beauty blender is too wet, that's where it comes off. Man, that sucks. Alright, so this is what it looks like. It's like harsh right here, but I'm going to fix it with the low lighting. So I'm going to be taking the flower powder, and I think the same holds true for this. I think when the beauty blender is too damp or wet or whatever, I don't know, it removes it or ships it or whatever. Well, it's a powder, so I'm going to use my brush. Oh, did I take the color? It's yellow. It's just called setting powder and the color is in yellow. Oh crud, it's pelted. Okie, so I'm going to go in with it and brush, tap off a little, and set. And then I'm going to be low lighting with my bronze, Perfect Bronze from Sasha Cosmetics. I'm going to bring it up on top of where it is and kind of cover that, see? Then I'm going to go over with my brush that I use as my face brush. I'm going to apply my powder after this, which is my Sasha Cosmetics Perfect Spice. And then after I apply it, then I'm going to take that same brush and go on top of these areas. I'm telling you because I'm not sure if I'm going to show it on camera, but I probably will. Alright, so this is Perfect Spice. Same brush I used to do my setting for the flower powder. Same brush for everywhere else. Then I'm just going to go on top of everything. Alright, so I'm going to be going in with Cano first. And this color is Cano right here. Oh, I should have cutting out my big mirror. Where's my big mirror? But canals first, and that's going to be going in my crease. And I'm going to write on my right underneath my brow bone, right up underneath my brow bone. Then I'm going to clean off that fluffy brush, and I'm going to be using a Hosi, which is this color here. And I'm going to use the tip of the fluffy brush, and that's going to be my brow bone color. Tip of the fluffy brush, brow bone color. Alright, there's a wasp in here. Okay, then, oh my god, there are no other dark colors in this. Alright, so let's see what I'm going to be doing for my eyes. Alright, so let's do like brown cut crease type. Brown, should I go brown? Let me go with black. But the black eyeliner up in the eye right now, so let me do it. Let me zoe. I'm going to draw a line. Wait a minute. Let me go in first. And let me do the eyes first. Yeah? Okay. So let me go in with Bakwa. This color right here. Now you have to understand these colors are coming off true to color, and I also didn't use a base. So should I use a base with these colors, I'm sure they will pop off the screen in your face. But I'm not gonna. Alright. Then I'm going to be using, let's take it to Benin. This color here. I used this one a while ago, and I'm using this one now. Benin. Clean that off, and then I'm going to be going in with Dahomey. No, with Idea or Idea. I don't know. Idea. I'm gonna say Idea or Idea. I don't know. Clean off, and I'm just going to repeat the colors. So I'm just going on top of the colors, kind of strengthening them. Bakwa, the very first color that I used. Alright. Then I'm going to be going in with my pencil and doing my cut crease. Let me see, I need a small detailer brush. Alright, so I'm just going to go in with this brush. It's a two-ended brush. double-ended brush rather, and I'm going to be taking minor, I don't know, it's in the tip of the brush, and I'm going to be using that to apply at the base and feather up. So when I drew the line, I drew it as like a guide, right? And to get like a sharpness. And then as I saw, I used the pencil itself to blend it out. So I used the pencil just pull it up, pull until it was somewhat blended out. Now I'm going in with the eyeshadow to further blend it out and also to add more depth to the pencil work that I did earlier on. So I'm going to be just cleaning that off. And then I think I'm going to be going in with my LA Pro Conceal again. Tell that a little bit. And then remember the same brush I used to do my brow. Oh, you don't know, I did that off camera. The same brush I used to do my brows. Here we go. Jesus wet. Alright. So I'm going to like pinch it. I'm going to pinch it so that it's very, very sharp. See? Just going to pinch it so it's extremely sharp because product is in it already, so that's fine. So just pinching it so it's extremely sharp. Then I'm going to go in with the concealer. I'm going to go on top and on the side, and I'm going to clean up here. I need more concealer. I need more concealer. Concealer, concealer. So I have that, so then I'm going to take this side of the, is it clean? Oh my gosh, it's dirty. And I'm going to blend out the edges. Clean up right here, so some more. I quite like that. Now I wish I had added the concealer so the colors would be brighter, so I have more of a sharpness. But this is okay with me. So I'm going to do the other eye. Alright, so all I'm doing is that I'm drawing the line right above where the eyeshadow falls. Because remember when I put the concealer on, it removed some of the eyeshadow, so I took that as an opportunity to just do a double line. Plus, it was looking a little bit bland to me. Now, if I was thinking, I could actually add some color on top of this, like a burgundy, to actually go with my burgundy lipstick, as you can see soon. And it would have been the bomb, but I didn't think of it until now. Which reminds me, I may do a look like that, like a colorful double cut crease. I don't know, we'll see. So this is my LA Pro primer in black, and I'm just going to kind of blend it out and like pull it out to create a wing. So yeah. Subscribe. Alright, so I'm going to be using the Saharan Blush Volume 1, and I'm going to be using Zara as my glue today. And for my blush, I'm going to be using, let's do Toby. Obviously, I love orange blushes. Ooh, wow, Toby. I had no idea. Then I'm going to go over Toby with Nail. Then I'm going to be using Abby as my low light. I will be using T2 and some matte, and it's like this color T2, right? T-A-Y-T-U, T2, T2. I don't know. Glad I got. Then these are my lashes, my Pome lashes, and they're actually now available for $1,000. at Hair Vibes JA, and also when you DM us on Instagram at Homemade by Lyric. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. I completely love this look so much, you guys. I love the I love this look, you guys. I love it. I love my double cut crease. I love the lips. I love the blush. I love the glow. Woo! Do not forget to subscribe. And I'm gonna be one of those girls this year, honey. Click that notification bell for your mama. Okay, click it for me, please, hunty. Is anybody else getting emails like when your YouTuber uploads a video? It's quite annoying, I'll be completely honest with you. And even though I clicked unsubscribe, I'm still getting emails, and I'm wondering if it's because I clicked the notification bell. If that's the case, then I'm really sorry, because it's annoying for me, and it must be annoying for you guys. But don't forget to subscribe if you have not. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, you guys, and I'll talk to you in the next video.